Hello, Shawn Gross with Viking Plastics. I'm the engineering manager here, and I'd like to talk to you about a quick 2-second improvement we made to something that bugged me personally. We have these bags that we use in our process. We actually put them in large boxes. And when we wanted the bags, they often were rolling around like a roll of toilet paper or roll of paper towels, rolling around on the floor, very difficult to use and manage. So, like a roll of toilet paper or paper towels, we wanted to make a holder. This was our quick 2-second improvement that ended decades of fighting with this large roll that was rolling around on our floor. I found some metal in our shop, welded up this holder, we mounted it up on this bracket, and now when I need a bag, it's real easy to take it off, put it in the bag, put it in the box, and we're ready to go. So make lean fun, make it easy, make it quick. That's what we're all about here at Viking Plastics. Thank you very much.